la ga chang dar chai nyor ko dung dit media ga chang wala pai bangwan karon kin dang rawu de jandang rawu de dh an mak ba ngut gok bay nong la ti la no ni chang ko dung dit media ka tin tok ko junub Sudan kan win mon do dien dung dit media gwa la ro kon ko tung nuara cermen na ala ri chang ko yene de go la lengo ko ngor ko dung dit media me kiran jo me la jak ko share ko like er go share ga share like ko go wan ba ko chup ne de wan de lengo tung nuara na me ba ga ja je ka bar shentir tung din media la no yak bar ka tin to ko junub che ka update ni ka tin chara lat ko korni ni nong ne ya analysis ni ka tin chara lat kan tin baro de lat ki junub Sudan kan win mon do den nong ne ye news la suglari ka tin chara de lat ka changomo kala nong ne ye profile story ni profile story ndoro right ka kuinat ne individual person to those are seen to take a significant personalities to judge ka Sudan kan win mon do den la nong ne ye profile story ni in window kin ye ga country ni ye ko kor tin to ko win oken an wala ga changa wol ko pai bangwan dung dit media te lak bar be nong ye ti to jidini men ba ko ra jode tere men cha ko tong no gwaron wangan dan men cha ko ra ke kwich Ethiopian Grand Renaissance Dam ala dam me lab ko pan ga changa bangwan ko pai bangwan me jana kwara per ka dun wan jana nentin me bodo ka Prime Minister na Abiy Ahmed chaga right tin worun chaga istor da ke liulat man ni tin dia lo kon tin muran wujien ba wok dung dit media be ko jakata na chaga lan ke entam ke da menme men ba ko jode ba ko ke conflict ndan ta ke Eastern Congo ala kor ndan lin kon ke Eastern Congo kam M23 kane army dung Congolese Government so jen ni story mar jode entame bane nangala o par pal story mo dung conflict mandan into Eastern Congo mila nong ne je ku ba ko par pal story ba la de o ban ka ku compare ban ka ku chat ke tin kon la rodien doran kur la to Eastern Congo lin kon ni siang o M23 chat ban yen ka Rwanda ka base ni te konte la organization tin te ko train tin chat ban toward Congo so channel link here le 2025 me ka Rwanda kontin ni ko tugde o yete ko orienter Eastern Congo ko orienter terro kam M23 kana kume Congo alhamide Sham 23 cha manage ko ya dormi chwal Goma a regional capital Eastern Congo the regional capital chwal Goma ka forbin mi chwal Kibu Eastern Kibu ka Western Kibu ka Northern Kibu ka Southern Kibu is one of the the vast region ka Congo. So Koromo they got the one we talk about the origins of M23 and the reason why there are many conflicts in Eastern Congo this period of time decade the content malar ne ko ne M23 Quebec Rwanda back Paul Kagame and the reason why Paul Kagame back Rwanda back M23 one of the content of this discussion ngukwe support kajamo kon la roy ne ka for Palestine ne beta bordering nation mostly Great Lake region ku dur kon ne ka Great Lake region you talk of dur to Rwanda talk of dur to Congo talk of dur to Burundi talk of dur to Uganda can dur to area mountain have the same border They are the same. They are the same people. During the colonial boundary demarcation, medaka boundary ni British. La lor koron di chiang an wona ne Eastern Congo mukula content of our talk today. Take a do daro. Take a Tutsi, take a Hutu. Which way we go Rwanda? Take the same do daro. Take a Tutsi, take a Hutu. Which way we go Burundi? Northern Burundi. Take a Tutsi, take a Hutu. We're some part of them. Western Uganda. So that is a next dimension. Can this bordering country, the problem of this Great Lake region, a hand resolve for many years, for a decade. How long will resolve? So, as we talk about the ethnic dimension in this region, what are the problems in areas? Well, Eastern Congo Toro 1996. 1996, the Congolese first war. That is the first war of Congo. So, 1996 to 1997, about period of 6 months, it was the results of the genocide in Rwanda. Congo 1996. Rwanda ne de nyentin e Hutu kene Tutsi. Hutu was the government. La Hutu. Ajene Kap Kum. Turmula Chwale Benson Baba Yamara were there as a president. Tutsi was Reable Takador. So, many genocide mere lot. As we know the background of Rwandan genocide, there was no core Rwandan president, Mimo Hutu. Pakulo bok rocket, a known person, Mungo controversy Mawale. Then you Hutu knew you were named in a core Maquara Ketusini. You call you eat one day, you nearly a million people, you will live Rwanda. So, let's take on. Tela Hutu. Tena ke Tutsi. Rwanda. Ke 1994. Ke bene ben ke Tutsi ni de door. Tena ka ne kere jo. Wake ben kwa support a bordering country. Ke shara organized in terms of militant. Ne yike chot ka Rwanda. Yike chot ka Kigali. They talk about the government of Hutu. Menang nekien. Wanang kana kumunum. Nay te konde naka nekien like extremist kunala nak. Te taka army. Te taka gang group. Te to influential people ka communities nikien. Te kwala abad kun and the coming of Tutsi. But a repercussion. Baga tiech. Kenaga ya nangna. Chwarabar. Eastern Congo, nearly 2 million. You see the beginning of the problem. Eastern Congo. Major Eastern Congo, you go under the sanctuary of their blood. Hutu Nuki and the Eastern Congo. We talk about Gomanim, and right ke province of Kibu, take a South Kibu, ke East Kibu. South Kibu and North Kibu. Changake Hutu. South Kibu and West Kibu Changake Tutsi. Chu Hutu ni de yen Rwanda you yen in a big number 2 million euro matter. Isn't it Hutu? Teta Rwanda, Teta Congo. The number of Tutsi you are taught. There. Chu Tutsi Niki and Chugo succeed Rwanda, your government form again. Now it is a question of Tutsi take on Rwanda. What is happening in Eastern Congo? Eastern Congo, they are there. Eastern Congo, Hien Maliciat, wutu Malaysia ne wutu ni te kon te joike ka Rwanda ka benebe ke tusini tara pom ko taban kanaiti joike nu kumedien ta kanaiti te ke kwak ka gwar ta ke military backgrounds kanaiti 2 million me jo when we are organized so a movement me de korlo ka Rwanda so a pom kan ke Eastern Congo. You see the problem? Movement me de kor me de loy ka Rwanda me de Tutsi ni te cha genocide ya kumba kap de nyo ter koraken. That is the beginning of the problem in Eastern Congo. Then Tutsi ni ka Rwanda, they make the content plan. Go ba Tutsi ni ken the corner de Congo, ba ka empower, ba ka support, ka dubdial, ka kor, ka mach, ka naat. Aye door ba kam so that they will establish themselves in Eastern Congo. Ba wutu ni in Eastern Congo, ba ka suppress again. You see the contradiction, the interest of tribe, the tribal dimension in the situation of Eastern Congo. So, kakore, Shimala na yako kor between 1996 and 1997. Mugu ni kore kiro lar Rwanda. Kataye cha nang ni Tutsi ni, wutu ni. We talk of Eastern Kivu. We talk of Southern Kivu, we talk of Western Kivu, and then Northern Kivu. Do kona ya kulo fire can this conflicting ethnic. Do that out in ye. A lot that would to work and that too here. When we talk about the post-war, Congo, Kenya Ronamo, 1996, Ramena ne eter kor make up kor Congo, Rwanda. Ke support of Tutsi. Sijen. Ku wutu eda ne te Eastern Congo me shiro opom with the crutch. The strong establishment of their brothers. La Tutsi ni be well set up with Eastern Congo. There is Congo to kumitin. Ta Mobutu Sese Seko tetin during that time. Mobutu Sese Seko was the dictator. So, gag name call a neighboring country gagaje. Gag Rwanda gaje. Gag Burundi gaje. Gag Uganda gaje. So for that reason, they support Paul Kagame. Now Paul Kagame support Shokor, Nanka Congo. Kolmana ya Congo na ya shoot Urumula Shwa Laurent Kabila. Laurent Kabila was a Congolese able. Michu Kumele organized only 6 months. Because you succeed with support from Rwanda. Shawaka Kinshasa, Shokume your cup. The original cause, Shermalane, is in a dimension ka border. So, Kono. Lar Kone one there is a first and the second and the third Congolese war. Chini Koronyam, 1996 to 1997. 1998, the second war Yoronyam broke out. Situation in Lamar come Rwanda, Kana Congo. Like come Laurent Kabila me kwala nangreje Rwanda ke 1996 kene 97 shwe ko the interest of dur nan te ka border of Congo jaga Rwanda ko take a very deep end to Eastern Congo and then to Congolese government under Joseph Laurent Kabila shwe look to tension shwe raise up come Congo kene Rwanda. So you are accused to Rwanda you when Kabila ko is in Tutsi to continent ka Eastern Congo kwega street logare kumagade. There is a vacuum ka national question. Na in order to question ka isn't to sin and ka Eastern Congo, Manatu is a concern to Rwanda. They are not being considered as a national of Congo. So we need to find out a solution. So no, variable, Mimo Tutsi, Rwanda. Again, to Congo, variable Moutu, take on the Yoruba Rwanda, the Eastern Congo, plus Garakina Yajakan, Kasoskan, and Nos Kibu. Organize Congo, Lauren Kabila. To Kur Ereude. Shalo Congo, the Second Congolese War, JK 1998. With the thin Koromo, Swinyi, a money shop 2000. Okay, 2000, for Joseph Kabila, Lauren Kabila, for assassinate, was conspiracy. Kana, to Uganda thin, Rwanda thin, Kane Oken, they take a make like a issue of Eastern Congo. Chwana. Mechana Shugade, she succeed Garden Joseph Kabila. Shokwar, Shogwar. So may a war, you need one again region they were trying to cooperate with him. Found go and the Congo, the Yokomokwa, the Stably, the Shande, they Goya. Sugar the thin, get duty in one, Abanaga 2000, 2003, Takamala, Kamnikin, Joseph Kabila, Lagalor and Kabila, Mejiguas, Mechiel or Lonang. Wagwan. Kair 2000. You come ready and you are in me for Kumi M23. La March 23 moment. Tusi ni wangdien, la is in a Tusi. Kakor were organized come to 2013 to M23 to la post me strong me yang na can easily to see with me waga accuse a Congo one and ne ko support Rwanda. That was true. 2013 UN Security Council just alright one and betega brigade member mandated the UN ku be korba nanka Eastern Congo actually MONUSCO and mission mo be Congolese army be support ka border ku be in Camp 23, and then Rwanda was in not in a bad position get that initiative more. MONUSCO Congolese support with the thin and no period of 2013 money tie commit of around 2015 Fedagadamin and Koromo come Kinshasa kan Kigali you machakal with the Camdian Kakan Koru about 2 decades. Eastern Congo, a border, Kokadur, to Conatan Wandan. And the region in Nanaja Fagalong, Milachali Ituri regions, Eastern Congo, Metaga Forban, the Kona Quen, the Kibunatin, Tagarak, the Kona Quene, Milachalago, Manatin, in Kola, the regional capital. Can was the content packs Kajan this issue can Koromo. And no, again one and is in the group nita militant in along take contest can mashakali one. No, okay, to understand the content humanitarian Eastern Congo, one of very complicated. Come abused. Because there is a mining. As we talk about Congo, Congo is one of largest reserve metals, rare earth mineral. to quite use the production of advanced technology. You talk of electricity, and to go electronic, lot of element no Congo. No, to need one. Take interest in go cobalt, go copper, go communal zincs, can all the minerals, still la nega there are many in Congo. Chataka issue in it in one, Reda go core, she attire a lot to jet involvement, scactional player for the interest of the mineral. Gokora, 2019. She wouldn't like to live like Sisekedi. She allow winner ka election that can get 2018. Get 2019, she allow president of Congo. And transfer of power more Congo, care one more. She knew the one and it was good. Because transfer of power, she was for the first time in the country, Milatanian Kekun, Kanakor. Then to Joseph Kabila, she come peacefully. She was first time history of Congo. 2018 bo. She take a result of the election. The cham pachaka le chaka no. Ko melan gaye election. Felix Tshisekedi. Congo ngaramula chwale Martin Payulu. Martin Payulu she win. But she jaramena ne she election she win. Lakin because of the irregularities, kind of manipulation, ruling, opposition leader your fan. The courage you course you at a thing you now gap, but can you go scale me your core daily? You take a violent demonstration, you are like Congo for a time, and then you allow and go and Pilik, you can all this crisis, you can inherit, Joseph Kabila. Chwe toka me kwe deal ke Ebola me yitu wako Congo chwe renyo yen we problem na anta Eastern Congo chan roi kwide we nyo gwech so kuti yeta ro ka kandin chare la ro Congo the conflict na nen tathin che ta na lat kon curries and development na na ka tamadong ko the region the na nyi we the corner of the border of Congo, take interest that conflict, that the regional conflict, the regionalization of the conflict Eastern Congo, that I know. Jen now I conjure the go and man follow, go and what is the possibility of the region that war conflict about the issue in the layer of Congo. So, just like past conflict, I mean past war, Congo, second war. And second war is deadliest. Can Koriki and the Argentine one about 3 million of them. Tichilu can correr out there. Metro 1998, the one early 2000. Taro, the candidate along content in Rajodian along. In summary, core is ethnic. Misha cha connect ethnicity. Military ethnic nationalism. Border of Congo, and Rwanda, with two tribes to compete, to contest, moon kind of political recognition. Eastern Congo. As we say, when another situation of tribe, including South Sudan, we can say it. Amid the bordering country, during the colonization, tribe is scattered. So, the nature of the conflict in Eastern Congo take a tribal dimension between Rwanda and Congo. So, no more brief profile, and we can call it a day. Thanks for listening.